going on, everybody? January 5th, 2022. Taking a look at Tesla. Man, it has done its deed in the whipsaw of traders, to put it nicely. Especially anybody who bought this day right here, which was the 3rd. We were up 140 something, I believe. We were talking about that day, and we didn't want to buy it. We didn't want to chase it that day. We waited. We were able to get into a position yesterday, and that held out pretty well up until this afternoon when they really pulled the plug on really tech, but a lot of the other markets in general as well. So we are currently flat Tesla, and we do have a new entry price that has popped up, and that is posted on our Patreon Tesla Trader page. And we discussed earlier that this big old gap up here, which occurred on the 3rd, which was Monday, created a big gap. It looks like the gap was, let's call this is 82, and this low is 136. That is a huge gap for such a large stock. And what did we do? We said there's potential for this gap to get filled, and what do you know? Between yesterday and today, topping it off, almost right to the penny, we filled the gap. So this high is 82, and this low is 81. Would you look at that? So they touched it right on the nose there, filled the gap. Definitely shook a lot of people out, ran a ton of stops. So we will see what happens here. Tesla did fill the gap, although a lot of the other markets are looking a little bit heavy right now. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. We mentioned this candle here had a bearish engulfing look to it. But what do you know? Tesla filled the gap, sitting right now at the 50-day moving average. And we have new orders working for Tesla to get long again if they get hit. If not, then we will just continue to wait for a proper entry point, and we'll just sit back and let the market do what the market's going to do. The overall NASDAQ looked really ugly today, and I think that just carried its weight over into Tesla. Tesla was actually holding up better than the NASDAQ for a lot of the day, and then I guess it could no longer hold itself together. But without saying any of that, we mentioned the gap in Tesla, and the problem with gaps is they tend to go back and get filled. And perhaps that's all we're seeing here, and we will continue back to the upside. So if you're interested in where we are going to get long Tesla, that's only posted over on the Patreon trading page. But we did consider looking at this 82 level as another potential entry today, but we are going to hold off and follow the models and do what they say to do. And they say, do not buy Tesla just yet. Have some patience. So that's the way we're going to trade this one. Just wanted to share some of the thoughts on Tesla. It filled the gap. Everyone was so bullish over here on Monday, and they had every right to be. But the overall market was just a little bit too heavy, and it's not quite ready to go back up yet. But when you see a gap up that strong in such a big stock, it's like extremely bullish. It's showing so much strength. But who knows? Sometimes it's just the way it works out. There will be another trade opportunity soon enough, and we will be in it. But until then, we will sit back, watch Tesla, keep an eye on the market, and we'll be back with another video. Take care, guys.